In an instant, you will find energy gushing forth in an endless fountain from your Ananda chakra. If you attend all those, you are asking, what's your name? I forgot. Visam. If you attend all those things, you will come away to ashram. More deeply immersed. Try to discover the source of this energy. Many times I don't give much of a spiritual experience to the people. Many times I cover myself, hide and lower down and reduce the energy voltage. Because if something is really given, then simply they leave everything and come away there. Which you do not want unnecessary to disturb the families. You have your own duties. To make your life joyful and happy, blissful, this how much is necessary, that much you carry on. Move deeply inwards, try to discover the source of this energy, simply relax into yourself, don't worry about the healing. It will happen on its own accord. Once you have relaxed into yourself, simply let go of my picture in your mind. You will be in danger of getting caught up with my form. You need to go beyond it, into the realm of boundless energy. You understand? Beware of Nityananda. Continue as long as you feel the patient drawing energy from your hand. You will sense this automatically and without making any effort. When no more healing is required for the time being, your hand will drop on its own or be repelled from the patient's body. After healing, please don't say let this patient be healed of this disease. You could be interfering with these or karmas. Instead, you could conclude with the prayer. Whatever is best for a particular patient be allowed to happen. Don't say let him be healed. You understand? Mrs. Watson. You understand? There is a major difference between Reiki and me.
Yes.
In Reiki, you need to say let him be healed. No question, let him be healed. You should take away your mind, whatever good. Oh God, let it happen. Oh Swamiji will do that. That's all. Okay. Then karmas will come to me. It will not affect you. That's right. And that's what I wanted. Because I have no karmas. Things will be burnt away. The energy. So I don't want any karma to touch you.
So let the best happen.
But you will see, in this way, best happens. If you interfere and tell how much your mental strength is, that much only you will get healed. If you don't interfere, then I will heal you. You wanted you to heal or me to heal?
Swami to heal.
So that you just be a channel and relax. I will take care of it.
So there's really no way that we can get the patient's condition? Because I've done Reiki before and I've ended up with the patient's bladder condition or their headache or their sore throat. I can't let go of their energy.
Oh, what she's saying, when she did Reiki before, she ended up with the patient's condition, patient's bladder condition, patient's headache. So that won't happen.
That won't happen. That is what I'm telling you. That is why this is
I'm just double checking because they told me it wouldn't happen in Reiki either and it happened.
No, that is what this major difference. You will not get that problem. You will not get the karma. When you interfere and tell, let him be healed, what will happen? That will come to you only. That's why I say, don't never say.
So just say, the next happens happen.
Then you will see really he gets healed and he is flooded with energy. That's why I say, allow me to heal, don't you be healer. Just relax. And only thing, allow my form to let go. A few words. You are free to follow any other master as well. I say to you, go wherever you like, gather the loveliest flowers you can find from any garden of spirituality and make yourself a beautiful bouquet. I want no financial commitment whatsoever from you. If you can open your heart to me, that is everything. See, many churches, many systems, many things they have that 1% of your earnings you should give to their mission. Nothing like that. Nothing of that sort, but you give your heart to the spirituality, that's enough. If you can't, don't satisfy yourself just by opening the person's heart, you understand? When you take the responsibility, you grow, don't wait for a commitment from the other. Spread the joy, speak to as many people as possible about Ananda healing, Ananda meditation, the Ananda and the Ananda Sparana program. It's your privilege to carry this message that will benefit thousands around the world. Do you feel thankful to the person who introduced you to Swami?
Absolutely. That's what I said last time. I thank Swami.
So if Swami has not happened in your life, you would have missed something, no?
Not something.
So You wanted many other people to thank you?
Yes.
They should. So go around, spreading the word. Come on.
When you are doing for arthritis for anybody, how do you do both sides for Mooladhara?
Keep 2 sticks.
Any stick is fine?
No, no.
Yes, sticks.
That's all.
Chopsticks. Chinatown.
So any other question?
And how many times you do it? Like
You will still understand. The energy flow will be there. Don't think through stick energy will not flow. When it is energy, then you will understand. Just like hand energy will flow. When it is necessary, you will feel in the hand that it stops.
Somebody wants to read the book.
Yes. If they are interested in becoming a healer,
Small, what's the age, any age?
14.
14, okay, thank you.
they can read, but they cannot practice. Even if they practice, the energy flow will not be there.
So I could give the book.
Yes, you can give always the book.
That's better, okay. Thank you.
Only thing, tell them that only after initiation they can practice. Before the initiation they cannot practice. Yes.
for eye pain or glaucoma?
On the hand, on the eyes, sir, on the spot.
From here, for these medical conditions, the number of days or number of times.
You see that by seeing that you can decide. If the patient, the small wheezing, knee pain, headache, all those things, 2-3 days. If it's a cancer and all those things, spend 2 days only. But you take up only small patients. Don't take up immediately. And never advise on medication. If you are a doctor, you can advise, that is different. How many are going to be initiated?
Swamiji, what about if it's like...
How many centers are going to be started and how many are how many are going to be initiated? Anybody who wants, I am going to have an initiation, but I am not going to start a center. I am not going to heal the. Can any of you? Anybody like that? Nobody.
Swami, so far I didn't start the center per se, but I'm doing on my patients, I'm doing
Yes.
meditation.
But now you
But,
you are going to have a place.
What was the question, Swamiji?
No. In India, I asked like this. Anybody who doesn't want to heal others, run a center and wants only the initiation. If somebody says raises his hand, all right, you can leave the hall.
That's why you ask questions on one.
But here all of you are right.
You can do the healing, but starting the center might be a little difficult.
No, you have to undergo the difficulty. If I would have thought that it is difficult, then how will you get me? Why don't you undergo a little difficulty? You see,
Well, the physical states and all.
no, if I would have, all sorts of difficulties are there in the life, ma. If I would have thought that it is difficult to have the enlightenment, then how will you get me today? Just understand, I have given my whole life. Is it not difficult? The cream of the life is youth. I have given that my youth to you all. Can't you do little bit, this much? How can you say it is difficult? People tell me, from the bus stand to the ashram is half a kilometer. Swami, why don't you make a bus arrangement? It's half a kilometer. I told them, 2,000 kilometers I walk minimum, and then only got this enlightenment. For healing, if you can't walk for half a kilometer, don't come.
Like one question, Swami, here you wrote once a week in the healing center. We are meeting.
That's
There
enough.
are so many healing centers. In every healing center, once a week, we
Ah.
meet. How every day?
No, you are not supposed to meet all of you. Once a week, you have your own people there.
Okay.
Each one of your healing center, your own. You understand? I am not giving all the healers to meet.
Okay.
Not all the healers to meet. Have your own meditation, have your own group. You are all independent gurus.
Yeah, but you say
Yeah, but
3 minutes, 5 minutes,
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's hard.
Swamiji, I live in Arcadia. And she lives in Arcadia. Both
Then you
of
can
us
get-
are the same.
Yeah.
But in your house also, have a separate little, at least little bit of space for the meditation and the healing. There will be little difficulty. Why don't you put up a small
No,
difficulty?
son, but it interferes with other things like you explained before, to not disturb the privacy and the other stuff, so
Then
that's.
make arrangements. Work on it. Work on it. Why should we have anything free, ma? Can't we have these small services? Of course, surely I am not going to come and stay there. It's not for me, but for the society, you see. This system is created by thousands of enlightened masters by putting their whole life. And is given to us. What for? They wanted this to reach the world. And what for I have given my life? Understand? This to reach the whole world. Don't you see? I tell people, when you heal somebody else, when you heal others, that is what is the real offering you give to me. Not simply every day falling at my feet. No. When you heal somebody, that is the real offering you give to me. What for I am alive? I am alive with this body just for this mission. Just for the service of the humanity. If you can't you share a little bit of my responsibility? Can't you have a little sympathy for my mission? Can't you? What for? I am here. I am here just to give something to the people. So why don't you also understand? There will be a little difficulty. Let you undergo the little difficulty. What is the wrong?
I don't think little difficulty in that way. It's because it's a clash of what happens with what we like to say.
We will
Not
see.
interfere with the privacy and other stuff. So it's-
Then I work on it.
So in other words, we're inviting a group of friends who
friends.
come and listen to the
Listen to the
discourse
discourse on meditation.
and do
And spread just like this. Every week at least 10 people. New persons will know about meditation. We can bring down that cosmic negativity. You understand?
And
It's our responsibility to keep the universe beautiful.
At that time we do Mahamantra.
Mahamantra.
Only
That's my
Mahamantra,
only
nothing
Mahamantra.
else.
Nothing else. If you want to take up, you can take up Dukkarana also. In Oklahoma, they took up Dukkarana for 21 days. Each one had a miraculous transformation in their life. Group of leaders.
My cousin.
Ah, yes. 21 days of continuous Dukkarana. Even if you can take up continuous Dukkarana 21 days in some one place, no, maybe in your own house, but at a particular time. All of you do it at the one time. You will see the whole negativity is null. So like some projects you take up. You see, everything will have little difficulty only. But can you say everything can come like a teaspoon? No. So even it is little difficult, work for it. Spread. Not for my sake, just for the sake of the world. And moreover, you see, understand the responsibility. When he can give his life, can't he give a little bit?
Keeping the center in your home means like give some space and how do you do?
A small room,
Small.
outside you are out, when you enter inside the house, naturally there will be a small place. What do we call it? Corridor or anything. In that place I have a photograph, like this photograph. Now she will be making and giving to you all. I have this photograph, these small books, chanting box, and I have a small seat for you to sit and meditate. That place will be used only for meditation, and when the people come for healing, that will be used only for healing.
So
That's all.
we have made that one as a permanent place.
Puja, that's what.
That's I mean, we can mix this one like with other art and what we have.
Yeah, that's what he said. Yes.
We don't want little station there. Puja room, because of religion and spirituality, I understand the different things. As far as religion and rituals are concerned, puja room, not every woman can enter.
Oh.
So it should be a separate room probably.
That and all you decide according to you. That's
It should be
all.
separate.
See, as far as me concerned, I always tell the people,
Yeah,
if the God cannot help you at the time of your needs, people ask me, Swamiji, at the time of period, can I go to the puja? I always tell them, if God cannot help you at that time, at the time you are low energy, you need more energy, more God, more puja.
Yeah,
If God cannot help you at that time, what is the use of God?
Right. For me personally, that's the way I feel. But still, religion is still
Okay.
strong in lot of people.
Okay, son, don't go to temples because for hygienic reasons.
Yeah.
But in as far as all right, you decide all those things. That's all. Now, let us go for
Meet the
initiation.
people means we have to invite the people or what is that from inside?
Yeah, invite a few of your friends and listen to the discourse.
Slowly spread.
That's it.
Every week satsang, get new people, spread new people. Whosoever wants to meditate, let them come. Let it become a center to spread the meditation.
Friends bring
Understand?
friends. Like I brought my friends, they'll bring friends. That's informal.
Let it become a center to spread the meditation. And I tell you how intensely you work to spread the meditation. That much intensely I will be with you.
Then,
What you?
That is up to you.
So
If
if
you
you
want song, you leave it.
Can we just last question, for muscular problems, like if you're having like, someone's hurt themselves, like a muscle injury,
And exactly at that space.
on the